Hello guys! Welcome to my first ever vlog. My name is Karen and on this video, isasama ko kayo sa aming Bangkok trip.
Tila ka dun ah.
Ay, dito tayo.
May responsibility.
I-flex mo yung muscles mo.
Again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
We will be staying here at Bangkok City Hotel for 5 nights na binook namin via Agoda. The total cost of one family room and one deluxe twin room is 26,143 or 1,045 pesos per head per night, kasama na ang breakfast. Not bad at all, especially maganda ang location niya.
Two hours later.
Okay, ay walang kalaman-laman. Mamaya.
So time check, almost 10 a.m. Paalis na kami, going to Prato na.
Hi! Good morning! Ito, date,
Vlog takeover!
vlog takeover! Tawag doon, continuation ng day 1 namin. So, as far as you know, tawag doon, 9 a.m. kami dapat kakain ng breakfast. So, it turns out kami lang ni JC yung kumain ng breakfast. And then, nagpe-prepare silang tatlong babae. Yun pa yung isa.
Hindi po ako yun. Hihi ako.
Ayan. So, yeah guys, ito kami. Ito kami.
Ako lang to.
Ito lang to. Ayan. So, yeah, hopefully makaalis na kami in
Hindi lang ako today.
mga 11:30 yan.
Hindi ako today pero full makeup at
Tignan natin yung kwarto nila kung gaano kalinis. Okay. Tayo dito kay Natoy tsaka kay Riri. Ganito yung... Hi!
Pati yung
Ayan.
namin merong
Ayan.
assignment.
Ganito yung nila. Kama nila. So, medyo hindi pa ayos ng konti, no? Pero, kung titignan nyo yung kay Casey, oh my God. Oh my God talaga. Tignan mo kung gaano kadumi yung kama ni Casey.
Vlog ko yan,
Ayan,
huwag mo
ayan.
ko siraan.
Ay, okay. Ibabalik ko na ikaw kay okay, wait lang ha. Take two muna yung kama niya ha. Kung gaano. Outfit check muna tayo. Tignan niyo yung damit ko.
Ayaw pang bumangon kanina yung mga filter kasi who needs filters?
This is us. Hello, so yun nga, recap lang ng for today's agenda. Pupunta kami sa Pratunam to shop. Bibili si na Jem, si JC at take over na naman siya. Ano ang agenda today? Sige.
For today's video, tawag doon, itatry namin, hindi pala, pupunta muna kami sa Good Rate Exchange. Siyempre, magpapapalit kami ng pera.
Ano pala muna?
Will cost us more money para mag-shopping ngayon sa Platinum
Mall.
Platinum Mall.
Sa Pratunam.
This is day 1. So,
Yeah. Hindi pa namin na-try yung init sa labas. So, sana naman makasurvive. Titiligan ko. Tinitigan ko.
Tinitigan ko.
Hanggang doon lang yung alam namin. Nilapitan na lasing. Kagabi.
Ang galing! Ganda, be!
Ay,
Ganda,
well,
be!
Dito na kami sa Pratunam. Hindi naman mainit. Masakit sa balat yung init niya. Siguro kasi maaga pa. Mamayang tanghali siguro. Just
Masarap to passion fruit.
ito, hindi ko ano.
Pero ito kalaglit tanim nila. Kaya pag nakakatikim ako sa kanila.
Ito?
Oo, kaya ito gusto ko po, men. Go la, go!
O diba, tikim-tikim lang kami.
Nagugulat nga siya.
Tikim-tikim lang. Hayaan natin silang bumili. Tapos tikim-tikim lang tayo.
Hala, dito pala maganda mamili ng mga pang-ano.
Outfit.
Ang summer.
Oh.
Dito na, good rate.
Ayan na!
Yung Malta.
Ayan na nga. So, diretso lang pala. Dito na yung good rate exchange. Traditional na tuk-tuk. So, ayan.
How much is the conversion? This is 0.63.
So, yan. Nagpapalit kami dito sa good rate exchange. So, nagpapalit ako ng 10K and I got 6,300 baht.
Iba yung oo, iba. Ewan ko,
Pakita ko sa inyo.
Kasi yung nakikita natin nandyan, yung crowd.
So, mas maganda yung rate dito kaysa sa airport.
Take that hate and eat that shit for breakfast. And yeah, I like my eggs with a side of mac and shit. And you talk, give me
So, yun nga. Bawal magsukat. So, ang hirap mamili ng plus size.
Kasi 540. O 400 ang isa, diba?
Ako doon. Okay.
looking like an easy target. Nah, 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 you ain't good enough. Nah, 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 you can't sit with us. Mom and dad ain't got no money, so they thought they tried to buy. Nah, 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 you can't fuck me up. Nah, 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 just raise me
Late na kami sa itinerary namin. Hinintay namin si Jem kasi hindi siya paawat sa shopping. Pero papunta kami sa Platinum Mall. Maghahanap kami ng makakain. So, tingnan natin. Tara. Andito yung Platinum Mall sa kabila. Wait lang. Dala na kami ma-shopping. Maliban kay Jem na nasa dollar Thailand baht shop. Kamusta shopping?
Madami na bili.
Ayan na.
Let's go. We're hungry.
O tara na, lakad na tayo. Yan, picturean daw tayo.
Maybe I got an accent, but I
Tara, balik na tayo.
can't fuck me up. Nah, 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 sit down, give me the better, but you know I ain't as better, so I clean my place. And I ain't got to put your body in your handy and you sound like grapes. No, sir, say I'm nothing to go. Sure, but the snack in the mirror, she begged to differ. If you're gonna serve a tea, set a table up for me. 'Cause girl, I take that.
Sa loob ng mall para may aircon. Ayun o, escalator tayo paakyat. Oo nga.
Hi! We're here at Platinum Mall. So, ayun. Kakain lang kami dito and hopefully we can buy something. So, see ya.
Panlalaki. Ay.
Tingin ka, Jem. Takpan niyo yung mata ni Jem.
Tingin ko pa ba?
Ay! Oh! Sorry.
I wasn't able to vlog nung nakahanap na kami ng kakainan sa sobrang pagod. So after kumain, umuwi na kami sa hotel to freshen up and get ready na sa next na pupuntahan namin.
Ito yung afternoon na namin travel.
Secretary.
Tawag doon, we're going to Wat Arun or Palace visit ba yan?
Hindi, temple lang
Temple
siya.
temple.
run. Temple
Oo,
run.
Temple
hindi.
run.
Re-rent kami ng
Ano naman
cultural,
Fun
ng
fact.
ice ko.
Yeah,
Sana.
magko-cultural outfit kami, so watch out for this.
Oh, yeah. Dito kami sa Wat Arun sa labas. Then, madami ditong rentahan ng mga Thai clothes. Kaso, late na kasi kami dumating, 5:40 na, which is too late na kasi alas 6 magko-close yung temple. So, we decided na balik na lang sa ibang araw. So,
150 no limit.
150.
Free hair.
Makakamura tayo dun sa mga.
Ito 150 daw. Walang...
Kasi una namin tiningnan is 200.
Ay, 150 dito.
150 na. Free hair.
Mga cute yung mga ibang turista dito. Wait, Diyan naman kami sa Icon Siam. Kasi may dinner kami later at 7:45. So, instead na masta kami sa traffic, na pumunta na lang kami dito.
Close to be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off. You're too old for dreaming. Okay with me. Okay, okay, okay. I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off. You're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the